Hi, my name is Ashwini Kumar and welcome to my channel. So before going into the main content of the video, here one announcement to the NTA UGC NET exam aspirants, and if you are not belonging to this category, then you may skip this announcement. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, then the free live classes are providing in the Unacademy platform. So the candidates who belongs to these subjects, the commerce, computer science, education, history, English, Hindi, geography, economics, labor welfare, psychology, home science, environmental science, electronic science, philosophy, public administration, law, management, political science, and sociology. And including this one, the general paper that is teaching and research aptitude. So the candidates who belongs to these subjects, you are going to get the free live classes in the Unacademy platform. So to avail this one, you have to install the Unacademy learning app that I am providing the link in the description box of this video. And also along with that link, I am providing my WhatsApp number in the description box of this video and the subscription also. So here the free classes and the paid classes, both these two are provided by the Unacademy. So the free classes you can able to access freely, provided by the educator regarding to particular subject. And if you want to take the plus course, the plus course means the complete syllabus of your subject is going to be covered clearly with live classes, and your doubts will be cleared in the doubt clarifying session. And here these are the different subscription plans are provided for the plus classes: 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, and the 24 months. So out of these plans, you may take any one of the plan based upon your requirement. And if you are using this code Ashwini K, then you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. And now while coming to the present content of the video, so on the 20th August 2020, we got the public notice from the National Testing Agency regarding the dates of the UGC NET exam. There is a UGC National Eligibility Test June 2020. The new date of examination, that means exam is going to start from 16th onwards, that is 16, 17, 18 September 2020. And after that, few more days break is there. And then 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. So these are the dates regarding the UGC NET June 2020 exam. So it is a notice we got on the 20th August, so that NTA is confirmed about the dates of this one. So this news all of you came to know, but here one more notice from the National Testing Agency regarding the changes in the admit cards. Why? Because so along with this notice, here itself the one more point mentioned, that is the downloading of admit cards indicating roll number, center, date, shift, and timing of examination will commence about 15 days before the date of the examination. So whatever the admit card you are going to get, comparing with the previous admit cards, so this time the admit card, some changes the NTA is planned to do. So what are the changes in the candidate's admit card are that here the specific instruction to maintain the social distancing and other instructions related to the COVID-19. That means how to maintain the social distance and what are the precautions you have to take care about this COVID-19 situation. And the staggered time slot for the candidates reporting at the examination centers to be printed as a slot time, such as 11 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. So previously in the admit cards, the point is mentioned that the candidate must be at the examination center before 1 hour, before 1.5 hours, like that. But this time, it is not be like that. This time the perfect time slot is going to be mentioned, that is exactly from 11. For example, if you're having the morning shift, then from 11 o'clock to 11:30. So in between this time, few candidates has to come, and from 11:30 to some other timing, for example, few candidates has to come. So based upon these time slots, the crowdiness can be controlled in front of the examination center. So that is the main importance and the role of this staggered time slot. So whatever the time slot that is going to be printed, nothing but a slot time on your admit card. So please be at the examination center within this time only. Okay, and such that you can able to support to the other candidates also. And the list of items permitted in the exam rooms. So what are the items you can able to bring into the examination centers? What are the precautionary materials, just like the masks or the gloves? Okay, these things. So the list also going to be mentioned in the admit card. And the next thing is a hyperlink to location of the center, so that the candidate may verify the location of the center in advance by clicking on the link when candidate clicks the center details. That means usually we're going to get the admit card is a soft copy, right? So on that soft copy, one hyperlink will also be provided. That hyperlink is regarding your examination center. So if you click on that examination center, or if you click on that hyperlink, then the complete list regarding your center will be obtained. Okay, it might be include the contact details also, maybe. Okay, so what is the exact location of the examination center and what is the landmark? So if you exactly know about the location of the center, so that you can able to prepare your traveling, okay, for easy traveling and how to move from your place to that place. Okay, so such type of flexibility will be provided due to this hyperlink. And in case of PWD candidates are availing a scribe, both the candidate and the scribe must wear the masks. Okay, so these are the changes are going to be bring by the National Testing Agency for this UG Senate June 2020 exam that is going to be conducting from 15 September 2020. So guys, once if you got the admit card, so please go through all the instructions very carefully. Why? Because this time the instructions are not just like the regular as before. So this time the instructions will be it might be somewhat different. So please go through each and every instruction those are given in the admit card, and support whatever the instructions are there. So please support to those instructions, which will be very much helpful to the examination conducting body and to the supporting centers also. Fine. So all the best to all of you guys for this UG Senate exam. And to get the more updates, please subscribe the channel, and after subscribing tap the bell icon, and please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are planning to write this UG Senate exam in the September 2020, right? Thank you guys. Bye.